All right, Lowheat fam. Got another pair in. And I've done a number of these Yeezy 350 V2 unboxings. None of them do that well, and I feel like, the people are just meh. They're whatever on these. And I don't think I'm wrong. But I want to know from you guys watching. Those of you who clicked on this, let me know, are you still into Yeezys? Would you like a pair? Another pair? Do you own pairs still? Or do you not give a fuck and you just happen to click on this and are just watching it to see me unbox something? Appreciate all of you, no matter why you're here. While you're here, please subscribe. That's my one plug. I'll do it again at the end. Let's be honest, but I hate too much plugging, so that's my one plug. Please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Gives me a tingling in my stomach every time I get a subscriber, and that's all I'll say on that. Okay, today we have the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 in the MX Oat colorway, size 12, which is what I get in these. Definitely, if you know anything about these, go full size up. Half size bare minimum, go full size up though. I'm 11 and a half, so I probably could go 12 and a half and they'd probably fit better, but these are weird looking sock shoe, and I don't know. I haven't really worn these. I've only ever bought them and sold them, so I don't know. Let's see what these look like, this flavor. If you're still watching, I have, and you're a fan of Yeezys, the Yeezy line, and you like the 350s, want more pairs or want to get your first pair, I have some options for you that I'm going to show you. So stick around for that. If you're in the market and just can't hit on a pair, let's take a look at these first. Ooh. These are pretty wild, I must say. Let's take them in for a second. They had been doing a lot of similar flavors and working in the same similar color palette for a while. A lot of earth tones, and these definitely have earth tones, but these are definitely a little bit more wild than what had been coming out as in 2020, where it was just a slight variation on each other for each one. All right, I like these. I really like that clay colorway that came out, but these I also like. I like the pattern. It's different from the rest of them that had been put out recently. Like I said, I do like these. What do you guys think? All right. I hit on these unconfirmed. Shouts to unconfirmed. I have a really great success ratio on confirmed. I don't hit on everything, but I definitely, have a decent amount of success. I don't know what it is, because I know everyone was going for these two, or a lot of people were. But hit on confirmed. I am icon status, so maybe that has something to do with it. I don't know, but I have much better success rate on confirmed than sneakers. So shout out to Adidas for that. That being said, I like these. They look weird on foot. I'm not even going to put these on because most likely I'm going to sit on these or sell them. Sit on them and then sell them. So I don't even want to risk it putting these on. Those of you who are interested in what these look like on feet, you've seen people wear these. There's other YouTube videos, so apologies for that. I really wish I could, and I've talked about this in the other Yeezy videos, get behind these more because it's an interesting shoe. They look comfortable. The few times I've put them on, they are comfortable. But just, Kanye is just, he's so out there. And now he's starting a school in Southern California. If I'm going to keep one pair, I think I'm going to keep the Yeezy Wave Runners. Check out that unboxing video. That to me is like his Jordan 4 or his, one of his all-time signature shoes. I'm going to keep that, sit on that, see if it goes up, maybe wear them one day. Maybe he has an awakening that doesn't involve Jesus and becomes a little bit more normal. I mean, artists, they're great because they are out there. So I'm not knocking that. I'm not ignorant of that fact. Some of that craziness helps him be a talented artist, but just he's a bit much at times. So I'm probably going to sell these. I do like them. I really wish I could get behind them and keep these and rock these. But in a way, it's good because this forces me to flip some pairs to create more room to buy more pairs to review for you guys, the channel, and for myself. So can't keep everything, and this is one of those ones I'm going to have to part with despite me liking it. I am wearing currently, if you're curious, the Adidas Human Made Collab Tokyo Solars by Nigo and Adidas. Don't ask me if these are Nike socks and Nike pants. You don't know. They very well could be. If they are, just be assured that it rubs me the wrong way if I'm mixing brands like this. If I happen to be mixing brands, it's only because out of convenience for this video that I threw those on, and I didn't want to change pants and socks, and that is the only reason. So do not worry. If these were Nike apparel, I would not be doing this regularly or out of the house. But I do like these shoes. If you're interested in these, check out my unboxing video and my wear review. Some of the most viewed videos I have on my channel, which is crazy. You're probably not interested in that. Maybe you are, but I find it interesting that these two videos related to these are like some of my highest views. I think probably because there's not a lot of unboxing or review videos online, but they're not super popular. You can get these on sale or under retail. If you like these, check out my videos first, then do your research, find them for the cheapest price possible. Very affordable at the time. I paid full price. You're welcome. Yeah, I paid full price and definitely could have got these cheaper now. But you know what? Again, they're responsible for like half the views on my channel, so I can't diss them. I like them. So anyways, that's on that. Oh, now I wanted to, what am I doing? Stick around. Just keep watching if you're still watching. I'm not done yet. Not done yet. All right, we're gonna put this in the background, and now I have, if you're in the market for Yeezys and have been had trouble trying to get these for retail, there is good news for you. You probably already know this, but just in case you're a casual sneakerhead and just like, yeah, I can never get them, there are some for an affordable price. I'm going to show you right now on StockX. Just using StockX because it's easy. Not sponsored by them, I wish. Check your other platforms, Goat, eBay, etc. But we have the Adidas Zion. For the most, these with taxes, shipping, everything, for me in California come out to like $241 all in. So when you see the prices on StockX at like $245, $270, $260, that person just wants to get their money back or even take a loss. If they're selling them at $245, they're probably taking a little bit of a loss. So I would go out in your local area, see resale shops, talk to your local shoe plugs, go on Craigslist, Facebook Market. You might find people for selling theirs for basically retail. Retail is $220, but again, with shipping, tax, all that stuff, you know, the person probably paid $240, and you could get them for like $240, which is essentially retail. So here you're going to pay more, but these people are not really making any profit. So just so you know. So look at the Zion. It's reasonable to buy. The Adidas Light, the light colorway. Again, these people are probably all taking losses on this, which again, if they don't want it, serves them right. Serves me right if I don't. That's why I get my size, because if I'm stuck with it, I want to be able to wear it. So this is a little bit of a flip. Over time, the money will go up on these, maybe, and it's just putting them towards a new pair. But I always get my size in case, because if I'm stuck with it, I need to be able to wear it. Adidas, the Mono Ice, I did an unboxing of these. These are pretty clean and dope, and a new type of technology on the inside and different materials. So that was a different, they went in a different direction for these. I unboxed those, and pretty affordable. And the bigger sizes, they get up to 300. But if you're a smaller foot, definitely reasonable. And these are pretty dope. Definitely going to get those dirty really easily, but I can't resist resist sometimes. Also the Cinder, similar construction as the one we just saw, the Mono Ice. This was also built in the same fashion with those type of materials and inner workings on the upper. Same thing, a little more popular, the Start colorway, but especially in the bigger sizes. But if you're a smaller size, check them out. And then this Ash Pearl. Like this Ash Pearl and the Zion, they just went through different iteration after iteration of like basically the same color palette. So anyways, that also same area of 260 ish for those, 250. All reasonable prices if you really want a Yeezy 350 V2. Again, let me know in the comments if you're still copping Yeezys. Which model of Yeezys are you copping when you do? Is it the 350, the classic? Or are you interested by some of his other new stuff? What do you think of that new boot that was kind of leaked? That weird boot. And are you down with his like sandals and the foam runners? I've had a lot of luck with those. Those are good for flipping. These are not good for flipping. These are expensive and zero margin. The sandals, the slides, and the foam runners, pretty good margin on flip. Low cost, pretty good margin on flipping those. I'm not bragging about flipping. It's just part of life. It's how I afford sneakers to unbox for you guys. So don't hate me. And sometimes I keep them, give them as gifts. And so overall, I think these are dope. Just I'm not a huge Kanye West fan right now. So rating on these, like the silhouette, like the colorway. I'm going to try to put aside some of my anti-bias against Kanye. And I think I'd give these a 7.25. That's what I'm giving these. 7.25. Yes. 7.25. All right. Make sure you subscribe. More videos coming soon. Some high heat coming soon, very soon. So you'll want to see that. I'm Fancy Pants, and I appreciate if you're still watching.